So today's chapter is day 1, week 1, loving yourself. It is so important to love yourself. Mirror work can help you build the most important relationship of your life, your relationship with yourself. When you begin your mirror work, you may think it's easy or even silly. A lot of things I suggest that you do over the next 21 days may at first appear too simple to make a difference. But I have learned that the simplest actions are often the most important. One small change in your thinking can lead to a huge changes in your life. Each day, we will address a different theme. I will begin with some thoughts on the theme and then give you a mirror work exercise I would like you to practice throughout the day. You can begin in the morning by doing this exercise in front of your bathroom mirror, and then during the day, you can repeat it whenever you pass a mirror or see your reflection in a window. You can also carry a pocket mirror with you and use it to do mirror work whenever you have a few minutes to spare. I urge you to keep a journal as you do your mirror work. Jot down your thoughts and feelings so you can see how you are progressing. Each day, I will give you a journaling exercise, suggesting a few questions to help you get started. I believe that each of us has a power within us, a higher self connected to the universal power that loves and sustains us and brings us prosperity of every kind. Journaling will help you connect with this force. You will see that you have within you all that you need to grow and change. I repeat, you will see that you have within you all that you need to grow and change. Each day, I will also provide you with a heart thought to support your mirror work and an affirmation to help you put the day's theme into action. Finally, I offer a guided meditation. I suggest that you sit quietly before you go to bed and reflect on how these ideas can make your life a little easier and a lot better. You can read the meditation in the book, or if you prefer, listen to the audio version from which it was adopted. It's something to note when it says at the beginning of the chapter, it's so important to love yourself. Mirror work can help you build the most important relationship of your life, your relationship with yourself. हमारा जो रिलेशन हमारे साथ होता है, that's the only thing. You are the only person who is with you 24/7 in the happy times, in the sad times, in times of anger, in times of love. I mean, that person is seeing all the emotions with you, and he's going to be there since the time you were born, and he's going to be there till the time you're there on School of Earth. He's not going to leave you. दोस्त बनते हैं, चेंज होते हैं, अपने अपने घर को चले जाते हैं. When you are working or you have a family, so you go to work. So the only person who's with you 24/7 guaranteed is you yourself, और कोई नहीं है. So your relationship with yourself is the most important relationship. Because अगर हमने वो जो हमारा रिलेशन अपने आप के साथ है, अगर उसमें लव नहीं है, it's very difficult to love others. अगर हमारे रिलेशनशिप में अपने लिए रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है, तो it's very difficult to respect others. Remember when we did these last books, life is an echo. Whatever you see in others is nothing but your own self-realization. So your relationship with you is the most important. You are your only responsibility. Do you enjoy getting up? Yeah. Do you love and respect your body? Whatever you do, whatever you're doing to yourself is determining the way you're going to be with others. Because if you are not comfortable and you do not love yourself, it is very, very difficult to be comfortable with others and love others. So this is one relation which is very, very important in your life. And this person is going to be with you 24/7, 24/7. So it's very important to love yourself, to be comfortable with yourself. Now, once we start doing the mirror work, we'll realize that when we are actually speaking to the person inside of us and actually getting a visual glimpse of him in the mirror, the talk is totally different. Initially, you'll find it very silly. You'll find it very funny. You'll find it very serious. A lot of people I know have worked, they were very scared of, talking to themselves in front of the mirror. So it's very important to love yourself, to be at ease with yourself first. अगर आप अपने आप के साथ at ease हो, चांस ही नहीं है कि आप किसी और के साथ भी अनईज में जाओगे, आप उसको भी at ease ले आओगे. But yeah, you need to be first at ease with you yourself. बाकी सब सेकेंडरी है. सबसे पहले अपने आप को समझो, अपने आप को जानो, अपने आप को प्यार करो, अपने आप का शुक्रिया करो. Because nobody else is going to be there with you 24/7. People come in your life, people go. You're in a relationship, your kids go to school, they're not with you 24/7. The only person that stays with you is you yourself. That stays with you 24/7. So that relationship with yourself is the most important relationship, because all other relationships are going to be an echo of this relationship with yourself. I am not saying being selfish. This is different. Be selfless. That is again different. Right now, what we're talking here is love yourself just the way you are. बहुत बढ़िया है यार. सांस चल रही है यार, क्या टेंशन. How does it get any better than this? So love yourself. Spend time with yourself. I would like to read this line also because it made a lot of sense. One small change in your thinking can lead to a huge changes in your life. Now, what is that one small change in your thinking? Your choice. जब आपने अपनी थॉट बदली, उस थॉट के रिजल्टेंट आपकी चॉइस बदलेगी. जब आपकी वो चॉइस बदलेगी, आपके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस बदलेंगे, and you will start getting the results which you want, which you desire, which you manifest. Your day one mirror work exercise. Stand or sit in front of your bathroom mirror. Look into your eyes. Take a deep breath and say this affirmation. I want to like you. I want to really learn to love you. Let's go for it and really have some fun. Take another deep breath and say, I'm learning to really like you. I'm learning to really love you. This is the first exercise. And I know it can be a little challenging, but please stay with it. Keep taking deep breaths. Look into your eyes. Use your own name as you say. I am willing to learn to love you, your name, Arjuna. I am willing to learn to love you. Throughout the day, each time you pass a mirror or see your reflection, please repeat these affirmations, even if you have to do it silently. I want to like you. I want to really learn to love you. Let's go for it and really have some fun. I am learning to really like you. I am learning to really love you. I am willing to learn to love you, Arjuna. I am willing to learn to love you. At first, when you do your mirror work, you may feel silly or stupid repeating the affirmations. You may even be angry or want to cry. That's all right. In fact, it's quite normal and you're not alone. Remember that I am right here with you. I have been through this too, and tomorrow is a new day. The power is within you. Your day one journaling exercise. After you finish your morning mirror work, write down your feelings and observations. Did you feel angry or upset or silly? 6 hours after finishing your morning mirror work, again, write down your feelings and observations. As you continue to practice your mirror work formally and informally, did you start to believe you were saying to yourself what you were saying to yourself? Keep track of any changes in your behavior or your beliefs over the course of the day. Did the exercise get easier or did you continue to find it difficult after doing it a while? At the end of the day, before you go to bed, write down what you learned from your doing your mirror work. Your heart thought for day one: I am open and receptive. If we do mirror work to create good in our lives, but there's a part of us that doesn't believe we are worth it. We are not going to believe the words we are saying as we look in the mirror. We will reach a point at which we start thinking mirror work doesn't work. The truth is, the perception that mirror work doesn't work has nothing to do with the mirror work itself or the affirmations we say. The problem is that we don't believe we deserve all the good that life has to offer. I repeat, the issue is that we don't believe we deserve all the good that life has to offer. If that's your belief, then affirm, I am open and receptive. So many times, you know, it's all there outside for you, but हमारी receiving में issue होता है. As I said, and I've been saying it earlier, whatever is it that you desire has no opinion about you. If you desire a Mercedes S-Class or a Maybach, that S-Class or Maybach has no opinion. I don't want to go to this person. I don't want to go to this person. I only want to go to this person. No. Money has no opinion. Health has no opinion. मेरे को तो इसको ही अच्छी हेल्थ देनी है, इसको तो देनी नहीं है, ये बंदा ही ठीक नहीं है. No. How are we able to receive it? How open is our, how open is our receiving? How open and receptive we are for that health, for that money, for that relationship, that depends. हम किस वाइब्रेशन फ्रीक्वेंसी पे है वही हम अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. सो अगर हमें हेल्थ, रिलेशनशिप या मनी या फाइनेंसेस चाहिए, तो हमें उस वाइब्रेशनल फ्रीक्वेंसी पे जाके अपने आप को रखना पड़ेगा. It's whatever is it that you desire is right outside. All you need to do is have your doors open. That's all. जब दरवाजा ही आप बंद करके रखोगे तो वो अंदर कैसे आएगा? It's said, I'm repeating it again, you do not get what you ask for. You get what you are. आप जिस वाइब्रेशनल फ्रीक्वेंसी पे होगे, उस वाइब्रेशनल फ्रीक्वेंसी पे whatever is there that is available, you will attract that in your life, be it any area of your life, health, relationships, finances, career, anything. उस फ्रीक्वेंसी पे आना पड़ेगा और उस फ्रीक्वेंसी पे कॉन्शियसली अवेयर आना पड़ेगा, knowing that yes, I need to keep my doors open. Very funny, a lot of times a lot of people I come across now with be more conscious about things. If they have to give money to somebody, na, the first action, यार हमारे पास नहीं है इतने पैसे, यार आप सीधा ना बोल दो. Why are you giving it to the universe? हमारे पास नहीं है. So rather than what you want, we talk about what we don't want. हमारे पास नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? You do not want to give to the other person. Please be clear. Or you make up a line in a manipulative manner where your things should not get less. Never say मेरे पास नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? सबके पास है. Just in order to shun the other person, we start up saying that हमारे पास तो नहीं है इतने पैसे. Why? Just tell him I don't want. Like, I learned money has its own karma and stop giving money to beggars and everything. I don't give money to beggars. Now, whenever they come, I just hold my hands and I say thank you. अब मैं उसको ये बोलूं, नहीं मैंने तेरे को नहीं देने, क्या ठीक है यार. So universal gesture saves all. So that's, you need to be more consciously aware कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो. You need to be very consciously aware of what you are and what vibrational frequency you are at, because that is what you are going to be attracting. So there is a small meditation. Now we have two options. I want it to be open for the group. I am stopping the recording.